Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Although there is no specific rename command within QuickBooks Lists, to rename a list item, you simply open the Edit List Item window for the selected item from the desired list. Then type a new name for the entry into the Name field at the very top of the window, and the entry will adopt the new name after you click the OK or the Save and Close buttons to save your changes. When renaming list items, if you name an entry the exact same thing as another existing entry, QuickBooks will ask if you want to merge the two items into one item. If you do, click Yes at the Merge prompt and QuickBooks will make a single entry from the two entries. This can be handy if you have two different entries in a list, often created by multiple people performing data entry, that should be a single entry.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.